Morton and I just got back from being gone, like basically all spring. We missed spring cleaning here for the old church we live in. So now we got a summer clean. And good thing we have Super Clean to summer clean with. Oh, and this is my cleaning list for today. People say how to keep the church clean. It's really, really easy, actually. I love this paper. Love this paper. Super clean. Super clean. Super clean here. Honey, are you ready to get at it?
Yep.
Do you see my list? He hasn't seen my list before. What do you think?
Oh, nice.
What do you think of the Super Clean list? Can we do it?
When do you weed with Super Clean?
You don't weed with Super Clean, but I got outside stuff to clean up out there. That's not just a Super Clean list. That's a cleaning list because you don't vacuum with it either. But you do some amazing stuff with Super Clean. Have you used it before?
Yeah.
Honey, I was asking our friends, but you answered. Tell them what you used it on.
On the old one.
And tell them in 3 seconds or less how great it was.
It worked miracles.
Oh, and thank you to our friends at Super Clean sent us this. This is not a paid ad. This is summer cleaning with Super Clean. Enough fluffing around. We're gonna get at it. Little man, you gotta leave so I can come out and clean. What are you eating? Seriously, what are you eating? What? Where? What is that? This is look at you, you're a chunky baby. Look at you. I don't want to shame you, but you chubby. Oh, you super chub. Oh my gosh, you're winking at me. You love me. I love you too. I'm super chub as well. Don't worry. Oh my gosh, I love you. What are you eating? Because I want to put more of them out. Oh my goodness. Don't you know I have summer cleaning to do? I can't stand here at the door and wait for you to finish your breakfast. Somebody tell me what the squirrel is eating. What is that? Oh, I know what it is. Oh, I know what it is. It's this wheat that we have that just comes up here from wheat we put out for the turkeys. Oh, and you're getting the seeds out of the wheat and winking at me. I love you so much. You take your time. We'll wait. We'll wait. And you're not chubby at all. You're perfect. Nothing wrong with chubby anyway. You're very thorough. Oh my gosh, I never expected to catch you having your breakfast. Oh. Hey, this pause in cleaning is brought to you by Super Squirrel. Super Squirrel. Oh, did you hear your name? Are you 00 Squirrel? What are you getting now? Oh, you're taking your sweet time. I love that. Enjoy that food. Enjoy it. You're gorgeous. Where are you going? Where are you going? You want to come live in a church? Do you want to live in a church? Got an itch? Thank you for this little moment, squirrely squirrel. Oh, you're going down to get another? And that's how I get distracted here. I look out my door before we go outside. We're going to clean out here. But I always look out to make sure there's no animals like squirrels or bears or turkeys or groundhogs or whatever. Oh, he just ran away. This door is what we're going Super Clean for. One time I came... Oh, you still were there. Oh my gosh, you scared me. Little man. It's beautiful here today. Beautiful here today in the old church. It is... There goes a bunny down the... Oh! There goes a bun. Look. Oh, it's paradise. And it's chilly. Yes. Super Clean. Can you help with this? I was going to show you us cleaning our bathrooms, but our bathrooms are basically clean. But this is spray foam that got here, so we're gonna try Super Clean and see if it works. And this stuff comes out in a foam, and I'm hoping because this is vertical, it will work really well. So let's go for it. Oh, foamy foam, yes, foam. Do your stuff. Oh, it's already working. It is already working. It's already working. Oh my gosh, you don't know how many times I said to Mort, we got to get this off of there. Super Clean. Super Clean, thank you. Oh my goodness. It is already working. I see it already. Look, it's melted it off there. And it's already working. It's already dissolving it. And do you want to hear something funny? Cleaning this wasn't even on my list today. How's it? Look at it. It is taking it off. I just sprayed it on. I'm not waiting. It's coming right off. Hooray, hooray. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy, honey. I'm going to need just a little bit of water to rinse this off. Look at, it is taking it right off. Oh my gosh. Oh, Morton's getting in there too. And for everybody who thinks I make Morton work, he likes to do it. And this isn't even work, is it, honey? No, not even work. Look at it. It's coming right off. I want to show you up close. This stuff got sprayed on in layers. I think it's going to need to dry off in layers. Honey, clean that spot right there. It's definitely taken it off. Okay, Morton is using this one to get in because there's a little crack there to get in. It's definitely taken all the foam off, but we think it's stained it. But we were going to paint these doors anyway. I can't believe it took off the thick gunk of the spray. I can't believe it. Are you impressed, Morton?
Yeah, I was really surprised it took it off at all.
I am too. And down here, that's coming off like a charm. This is great. Look at this. I love this. I was so worried like how we were going to get this off. And I have nagged Morton about this. Thank you, Super Clean. Morton's spraying on the whole way, so the whole threshold will be as clean as what he's doing. He's giving this spot that was stained another shot just to see, Hey, we don't know unless we try. Morton is just going crazy. He's cleaning everything now with it. Oh my gosh. We're going to have a pair of brand new doors here, babe. It's a great day to Super Clean. And Morton's going for the windows too. Oh my gosh. You got to love this, man. Morton, I love you. Thank you for doing this. And the foam is so great for vertical stuff because it's not running down. I'm not late at taking this down. I'm early for autumn. All right, now here comes the rinse off. Oh my goodness. Babe, now we're gonna need to paint these because now they are super clean. And we were waiting till we clean them to paint them. Honey, painting's not on my list either today.
Yeah,
it's not happening today, but look at this. Oh my goodness. It lifted more grime than I knew was on there off. Oh my goodness. Honey, it took off your greasy fingerprints that you had at the door.
Yeah.
So if you love Morton before, you gotta love him more, because he said to me, I'll do this. He got this. And boy did he was right. Look, babe, it looks so good. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And look at the sill. This still, remember this still stained. It might come off when he scrubs it now, I don't know. But this, perfect. Babe, you know how you always say it's the right tool for the job, yeah?
Yeah, the cleaning product makes a difference as well.
It definitely does. I can't get over the transformation, Morton. It did beautiful on the windows, too.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely not even streaking the windows. Will it do it? That stuff is stained. That stuff I think is too stained for it to come off.
It's a chemical burning the paint.
Oh, Martin just said the spray clean or the spray foam chemically burnt the paint. So Super Clean won't lift that, but it lifted the foam itself off. So now we can paint it. What do you think?